Welcome once again. We are still on our lesson on prism. The next prism we are looking at is square prism. Square prism, which is the same as cube. Square prism. Square prism is cube. Okay, so square prism is a type of rectangular prism, since square is a type of a rectangle. So it's the same thing. And the square prism, you know what square is. All the dimensions are the same. So this is how a square prism will look like. Okay, so all the dimensions are equal. That's about a square prism. So for square prism, since all the dimensions are the same, we have, if here is length, then here also be what? Here also be the length, and then this side also be the length. Since all the dimensions are the same, so that we go by the same thing, length times the length. All right. So this is about square prism, and square prism is similar to rectangular prism. So the dimension A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and then H. Okay. So now let's look at the net of a cube. Is that of similar to a cuboid. Okay, and the net is, what we form to get the cube. Okay, what we form to get the cube, and this is how it is also going to be similar to that of what? That of a cuboid. Okay. So when you move everything into a flat object, this is how it is going to be. So let's say the base, this is the base A, B, C, and then we have our D. All right, then let's come to the left hand side there. So AD, and then we have the F and the E. Okay, and then let's come to the right hand side, the BC, H, and then the J. Okay, then let's come to the top, that is this particular side. So DC, F, and H. Then let's come down here, that is this particular side, AB, we have the E, and then the J, and then the top we have the F and the H. Okay, so how many faces? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 6 faces of the cube. 6 faces of the cube. So if I want to find the total surface area, of a cube, okay, the total surface area, since this is a square prism, and for a square all the dimensions are the same, so it means that if I take just this particular place, the square here, it will be the same as all the rest. And we know that a cube has how many faces? 6 faces. So 6 times the square faces. So let's say the face A, B, C, and D. So 6 will multiply by the length times the length. Okay, and that will give us 6L squared. So the total surface area of a cube is 6L squared. 6L squared. So that is the total surface area. Let's look at the volume. The volume of a cube. Okay, so we know the volume is the amount of space within the container that we have here. Okay, so within this particular cube, normally when you buy, let's say, it can be cooking oil or any other thing. Okay, normally containers that contain liquid substances, you see that you write the volume there. It can be in liters, it can be in milliliters, it can be in centimeter cube, or even meter cube. All right, so let's look at the volume. The volume is determined by the base area and then the height. Okay, even in your room, wherever you are, how big the room will be is the base, how wide the base is, and then the height, how long it is, okay, that it is short or it is long. Okay, so our volume will be what? The base is length times the length, and the height is also length. They have the same dimension. So we have L cube. So length times length times length. Length times length times the length. So that will be the volume of a cube. That will be the volume of a cube. So let's see you the next time as we delve into triangular prism. Bye bye.